I got the CT MIDI Bluetooth dust extractor. Let's unbox it and see what's in here. Warranty guide. It rolls really nice. The top is where the hose comes out of. This end plugs into this port. That end plugs in there, and this end connects to the tool. We're attached. Let's plug it in and see how much suction it has. It's got a really nice long cord. We're gonna plug the sander into the machine so that way it turns on when I turn on the sander. Power on. And the vacuum should turn on when I turn the sander on. The vacuum turned off when I turned the sander off. Everything seems to be working good.